today me and my sister are going to be making slime. We got a slime kit. First, we got some glue. I'm going to be making
and then
clear
we got
slime.
some activator.
And this kind of slime. And we got activator. Yes, we do.
Yes, and look what else we got. We got the big kind of bottle.
And we got a pink slime for both of us. Or her.
And then we're going to mix.
And yeah. Hey, we haven't even started yet. So first, you want to put the glue in. So that's what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
Help, let me put it in, okay?
Suck this. Sissy, you know what? Suck this.
Yeah, suck the lid. Tap.
Whoa!
I'm just making clear slime, okay?
I forgot. I'm not making.
Okay.
Oh, remember? You bought this one for me.
I'm just making clear slime, okay?
Okay. What are your glitters for?
Oh, you can keep them. I'm just making clear slime.
Okay.
And you can make glitter. You look at this, guys. I'm just going to put the glue everywhere. I'm putting glue everywhere.
Remember you gave me the pink one?
Yeah, I gave her a pink one.
So, okay. Now I'm going to add some activator. Not all of the activator.
Yeah, all of the activator. Just a little bit of activator.
A lot.
A lot of activator. You're going to need a lot of activator not to make it sticky. Put all that glue in. Put all of it in. Put all of it in. Suck this a little bit. All of it in.
Oh, God, it's working.
Oh, look at her. It's working. It's working for her.
You haven't even started yet.
I know.
Activator.
Okay, help. Let me open my activator, guys. Help. Lizzie, where's my spoon?
What? Activator?
Oh, right here. Found it. Got
Where's your activator? Oh, right there.
Now we're just gonna put the activator. Okay. That's enough activator for now. Okay. And then we're just gonna mix that in.
Look at that. Guys, look at that. I want a little bit more activator. It's not working.
Look at that. I'm gonna have a big clear slime like I wanted. Look at hers.
Mixing good.
Hers is working very good.
So is yours.
And mine's not sticky.
Mine is.
Yes,
Both of ours is.
Yeah.
Ew, look at that.
You're not making clear slime, are you?
Yeah.
You are?
And I'm making a pink one with my pink glue. Look at that. My activator. Can you pick my activator up?
Okay, just put a little bit in. Okay. Oh my god, look at that. That's real slime.
But even sticky.
Crap, my sticky.
I don't think I'm gonna even make clear slime because if we make clear slime, it's gonna be sticky.
Mine's not. I'm just gonna add a little bit more activator in my clear slime.
Am I back? Sissy, if I was you, I would add all my activator.
Oh my god, look at mine.
I would add all of your activator, Sissy.
Look at that. That's real
Are you adding all of your
slime.
Sissy, don't touch my stuff. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
No way. Hold on, let me mix it and I'll be back with you. Really sticky.
Okay, guys. Is yours sticky?
That's my sticky.
That's mine. If you don't use all your activator, can I have it?
Yeah, but I might just use my activator.
All of it? Okay.
Yeah, but it's alright, Sissy. But, okay, right now, let's just watch my sister. Here's Sissy.
Oh, okay. Can you hold the camera to me? Look at that.
Hers is doing well than mine.
No, yours is going good.
Okay, him.
Oh, look at that.
My God.
Ew. Okay, yeah, I'm not making clear slime. Because it's not working.
I just put all my activator in so it wouldn't be sticky.
Okay, that's fine.
And it could make more slime. And look, it's not sticky.
I'm adding all the glitters.
All the glitter?
Yeah. Can you open them for me since your hands are not sticky?
Sure.
I got it.
Yeah? Okay. Going over
Oh,
there.
this is the food coloring.
So here's a little shot of it. It's not sticky. It's not having a sticky type anymore. It's just having a clear slime type, like I wanted it. Oh no, Kaylee and them.
Let's tell them they can't.
Yeah, we need to start standing up. And if you don't know who Kaylee and them are, they're my cousins, but they like to mess with our stuff a lot.
Here you go. Open that one for me. Open?
Oh, open. Alright, grab.
Thank you, Sissy.
No, you're welcome. Can I put a little bit in?
Yeah.
There you go.
Did you want some coloring?
No, I want my clear slime. Girl, you know I want my clear slime.
Look at that. Wow.
Look at that.
That's yours?
Yeah, that's mine. I love clear.
And so she says, yours I'm going to stay in your hand. But no. There we go.
Sticky.
Sissy, can you open?
Hold the camera while I wash my hands off.
Oh, wait.
I
Here
think
you
I know why it's sticky because the glue in my hand.
go. Sissy, wait. Can you open all my glitters real quick?
Show open all for you. Okay, there you go.
These are cool. I like these.
There you go.
Wait.
I hope you with this one.
And then he opened my last one.
Here, Sissy. Here, Sissy.
Wait.
Here, okay, I'm gonna open your last one. Green. You had the red open. Wait, you used the red, didn't you? From all of it. But okay, Sissy, hold the camera while I go wash my hands. Cause mine's really not sticky, it's just the glue in my hands. Okay, Sissy, hold the camera. Have they came?
No.
Are you making rainbow signs, Sissy?
Sissy, don't get them.
I'm just washing my hands off. Sorry. Okay.
I'm almost done.
Now let's fill them without my hands sticky and dry.
Yay. They ain't coming. If Ethan comes, I swear to God, I'm punching him in the face. Well, no, swear. Well, no, I'm not. I'll take that swear to God back. Cause
Sissy, do you need your activator?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to use some, but here.
yours has another activator. That's why it's so liquidy and stuff.
No, this mine got sticky again.
So I'm only using a bit.
Sissy, hold the camera.
So I'm only using a bit. You can use the rest.
Mine's really not sticky. Sissy, look at yours. Look at hers. Come on.
I like yours.
Thanks. Here.
You like mine?
It's still, yeah, Sissy, I love yours actually. But I like mine too.
I love yours too. Whoa! This turned out to be really good slime, guys. Didn't it?
So, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay. Why is every dirt getting in my hands? Get off my hands, dirt. Can't it?
There we go.
You better not let them play. Sissy, you better not let them play with it.
Come on. Dude, mine's sticky, but I don't really care. I like mine.
I like
I'll
mine
take
too.
mine out.
Look at mine.
Take mine out. Whoa, look at that. Look at that, Sissy. Mine's so sticky.
Look at hers.
Mine's sticky.
Try to put your hands in, like,
Oh, God.
oh my god.
Mine's so sticky.
You should put more activator in there.
You took mine.
Well, there's still some more in there.
Can you pour it on my hands?
Sure. I think this is it, yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll show you my clear slime later. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Peace. Oh crap! Darn good.